What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my day three of Unprofitable Trader to Profitable Trader. And today, actually, ES futures using auction market and order flow. I'll show you the pre market plan, the trade I took, what I did well, what I did wrong, and the lesson from today. Because although today I made $1,800 on the funded account, it came at a cost. Like, I broke my rule. So yeah, let's go. So on the daily, the trend is overall bullish, currently in a pullback phase. The H1 is bearish. The H1 is in a bearish trend because the daily is currently pulling back, but overall we're in a bullish trend. On the M5, overnight ES traded lower and price opened inside volume and rotated lower throughout the overnight session while remaining inside volume, showing sellers were able to auction price toward lower prices. And I'll go over my scenario and bias. So as long as price remains inside volume, I will look for rotational behavior within volume, and validation occurs if price either break above previous volume area high and maintain acceptance, or break below previous volume area low and maintain acceptance. And everything inside will be I will be looking for rotational behavior. So when the session opened, we saw a lot of bullish momentum toward the upside. Price broke above the London high, retested, then I entered. Price came to a 109 and reversed. That was the first loss of the day. Okay. Then when price broke below the London low, retested, and there was some sort of aggression and price rejected. Like, buyers failed to reclaim above London low. I entered over there. My stop was above the week, and my TP was at the IB low. So out of 201, I moved myself to break even. Out of 205, move myself to a 101. And out of 208, price rejected and stopped me out at a 101. So this was supposed to be like a break-even day, because the first trade was a loss of 250, and the next trade was a 101, which I paid my loss. Like, I made a $250 on that trade, so I was supposed to just call it a day, but because like now, like, I'm getting close to the payout, so I was forcing, like, instead of trading the market on the next trade that I took, I forced my will into the market. And it's like, in the long run, I'm not gonna be profitable doing that. So but I did respect my rule, but I wasn't supposed to trade, but I respected my rule on the next trade that I took. So normally I take 1 to 2 trade max, not 3, but today I did. And I went on a time frame that I don't usually trade. So on the M1, when price broke below the IB low and retested, I entered on that rejection, had a 5-point stop loss, and I made a 201. So I mean, the trade was valid because I was trading with the momentum. Like there was a lot of initiative selling. You can look at the huge berry scandal. And that was a valid setup. But the problem is that I don't trade on the M1. So self review. I mean, I'm kind of hesitating between I did follow my plan to I did not follow my plan because I did not take any random trade. Every trade that I took was based on my strategy and what I currently do. Like I did not just place like a position and close my eyes and pray that price hit my TP. No, like I waited for a confirmation and yeah. So I did wait for confirmation. I did manage my risk properly, but I did not follow my plan. Yeah, I did not follow it because I took three position instead of two, and I refused to stop trading because I wanted it to be a winning day. That's the problem right now that I have to fix. I really have to fix. Like I have to accept it that there's days where I will lose and yeah, need to accept it and just close the chart and go to the gym and do the other things I have to do and yeah. So yeah, the one lesson for today is accept that the market is not going, like the one lesson is to accept that I'm not going to win every day and I can lose more than I win, but in the long run be profitable. So yeah, that was the day 3 and I'm out.